Right now, sentiment in entertainment is spiking at plus 0.76, with momentum hitting plus 0.83. This is significantly above our historical baseline, indicating an unusual surge in positive sentiment and excitement around current events. With 17 semantic clusters identified, this data reveals diverse topics resonating with audiences, making it a goldmine for your projects. Our API returns contextual sentiment insights, allowing you to tap into real-time audience feelings and trends. For example, you could use this data to optimize your content strategy, ensuring you're aligned with what viewers are passionate about right now. To dive deeper into how you can leverage this sentiment data, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.